वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन को रेड जोन से ग्रे जोन में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन बिलो सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड whenever I post a new video. So today's video is about 20 things to do before 2020 gets over. So these are the things which are too small but makes a huge difference, So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay. So first thing is to declutter. For those who actually don't know what declutter means to remove the unnecessary things from your room or your closet or your phone. First thing you can do is you can just remove the makeup products which are of no use or expired. You can just remove it from your makeup collection. Also, you can just remove the clothes which you don't want to wear. Or third thing is you can just remove the unnecessary files, documents, pictures, videos from your phone. Second is to organize. So organizing things is very important when you do. If you want your work to be perfect, you just organize about it and then you do. Organize your place, where your workplace, your study table, and then you do your work. Personally, whenever I want to film a video, any video, what I do a night before that, I just write it down in my diary. Like right now I have written it so that I don't forget anything to speak, and I'll just write main keywords so that I'll remember what to speak about. So that is the thing you can do. Third thing, which I've always been saying, is self-care day. Self-care day is like pamper your skin. Like tomorrow you can just take your care, you can just pamper your skin, do things which you like to do. So this is what actually self-care means. Next thing is to analyze 2020. Well, 2020 has been a year which was unexpected. Like no one has expected this kind of year, but there are things which have been good and bad as well. So you can just analyze your year and you can just answer few questions like things had made me feel low, and also your achievements and all. You can just analyze it and you can write it down. It will be very good for you. Next is to set your goals. Like for setting goals means you can set it, like you can divide it into three, like daily, monthly and yearly. For daily, if you don't wake up early or you don't work out, you can just keep it in daily section. Monthly, you can save money, and yearly you might be having a goal, you can just write about it. Next is to make a vision board. Now, like wherever you study or wherever your workplace is, like wherever you sit and do your work or you study, you can just place a vision board there where you have pictures, your dreams, your desires, and you can just take the pictures, and so that whenever you study or whenever you look at that, you'll just remember कि मुझे ये करना है. So yeah, that will keep you motivated. Next is to make a wall of goals. Like wall of goals means आपके विजन बोर्ड के बाजू में अगर थोड़ी सी जगह हो, वहाँ पे you can use piece of papers or you can use sticky notes. You can write the goals about what you want to achieve and you can just stick it there, so that whenever you look at that, you can just remember it and you'll just always think about the goals you want to achieve, which will keep you inspired and motivated. So you can do this thing as well. Next thing is to revisit your 2020 goals. Well, if you haven't looked at your 2020 goals since Jan, don't feel sad, because this year was something which everyone probably abandoned their goals. So it's okay, you can revisit your goals and you can just look at it, and it's totally fine to discard any of your goals in which you're not interested in. So next is to do something uncomfortable. Now here uncomfortable means to come out of your comfort zone and do things. Well, it's very hard to come out of your comfort zone for everyone, but as a human being, it's very important to come out of the comfort zone and do things. Well, when you come out of your comfort zone and do things, you find new opportunities, new perspectives, new friends, new skills and so more. And while doing things, you just take baby steps towards it, and then you'll be very you can just do the things which you want to do. Next, find 20 reasons to forgive yourself. Take a moment and think about all the self sabotage you have bestowed upon yourself. इससे क्या होगा, you will be first aware of what you are saying. 20 things you are grateful about. Just write the 20 things that you are grateful about, because gratitude is an attitude to live, and things that you say naturally will shift towards a positive perspective. So yeah. Next thing is 20 things you are leaving behind in 2020, or eliminating things that you don't enjoy. So saying let it go is very easy than actually doing it. We say that let it go, but it's too hard to do that thing. So whatever you want to let it go, just write it down and say it bye bye. 20 reasons to celebrate the person you have become. Just start to learn different things, by day, by year, our knowledge increases. Maybe you're easy to talk, might be good at many things. So just celebrate as a person you have become. Take 20-minute walk in nature, in complete silence with no distractions. So if you don't wake up early, just wake up tomorrow early, or tomorrow or day after tomorrow in 2020, and just go to a walk. One thing, just leave your phone behind on airplane mode and just feel the atmosphere. Just look at the nature, how it is peaceful. So you can do that thing. Now the next thing is to dance to your favorite music for 20 minutes. Like, dancing brings about your inner child. Just feel the music, and it's okay, dance however you want to, because we don't want to show it, we don't want to be perfect, but just dance. You just feel happy and just dance on the beat. That's it. Write 20 positive affirmations. The positive affirmations about who you are and who you are becoming. Just write it and just read it loud. And one thing you can do is, like, every day you can't read it. If you're lazy like me, what you can do is you can just record your voice and just listen to it again and again. Next is make a bucket list of 21 wishes. Like, it's 2021, so just write 21 wishes or 21 bucket list which you want to like complete in this upcoming year. So next is take 20 minutes to pray for yourself, for your family, for the world. Pray for whatever your heart desires, and yeah, for keeping us safe this year. Invest in a book. So get yourself a book. If you don't have a book, like you don't have habit of reading books, just start it. I'll be looking forward to read it. So it would be my one of the goals, like daily goals, to read a book, at least 5 pages, but I'll be reading. Last, celebrate this 31st, because we have come so far. So yeah, celebrate this 31st. It's okay if you are not going out with your friends, with your family. Just stay at home, get ready and celebrate it for yourself, because this year was so hectic. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.